Good day, and great love and light, illuminators and way showers. Thank you. It is with great love, honor, that I share this moment with you as I'm sitting here creating art in my little studio upstairs. Outside the window, this beautiful cardinal landed. So I just wanted to take a moment to pick up my phone, and I know it's a little blurry because I'm looking through a screen. And for all of you who may use this beautiful animal totem spirit as a messenger for you, as it is for me. So I say, hello, Mom. Hi, Mom. I love you. We had a special bond with the Cardinals, and I felt her, and I felt her presence. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you, and happy birthday to all of you fellow fire sign Sagittarians, as the sun sign, as we create time and create these beautiful things for ourselves to celebrate. Happy birthday to all of you. And this beautiful fire sign in front of us, this gorgeous, vibrant red and orange. I know it's blurry, sorry guys. And it couldn't have just appeared at a more beautiful moment for me. And I'm thankful for all of you and for this moment and for every moment I've ever had in my theme of my journey, my spiritual path. For we know that everything is now. So if this beautiful animal totem spirit resonates with you, perhaps do a little research on the cardinal, animal spirit, birds in general, and look at the brilliance of these colors. I just want to back out just a little bit so you can see how far. So here I am in my little studio creating little tiny works of art. And really, this is a shamanic moment for all of us as we touch the animal kingdom. This spirit, this guide, what is it speaking to you? I am in gratitude and in grace, in pure allowance, observation. Thank you, beautiful messenger. And that actually inspires me to do more animal spirit readings. And perhaps I'll look up the cardinal and share it with all of us to see what messages may resonate with us from this beautiful animal spirit that simply landed here in this moment for all of us to enjoy. And I'm actually here up in my studio upstairs. I'm surrounded by things that in my memory that we call memory, which we're actually creating together right now, are a lot of symbols around me connected to my mother. And of course, being Thanksgiving, many of us, oh, there goes my neighbor, many of us gathering with our families, remembering loved ones that are sitting next to us from the other side. Remember that there is only the separation as belief. The separation is only a belief. Petete tiamaleve samolave shama akayalashe shamana eke. These are shamanic moments when we, all of us, take this time to appreciate and allow. Malese emotional. Kazima somoto vesima sava el seto kosho. Pagina tiki na 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 ki. Avelino no no waka. Pashishima. You know, it's in these moments when I truly feel so grateful to be sitting in this chair in this now moment, to be able to witness this connection to the animal collective consciousness, the avian collective consciousness, and to remember that birds are dinosaurs. They are ancient, and within their DNA carries so much information, so much love and excitement and song and spirit for so many of them. Thank you for joining me, joining us, beautiful spirit, in that moment. Namilashono torikin savesamata eleshonoso. Perenonia inana ke elesopodokosho. Sumaso to vishenoto. There's my angel wings hovering above my sacred desk as I create sacred beauty. Nalezimo soveshenoto. Kivesono shevisho nami. Sorry, I don't have the lights on in here right now. Ila kotovesimo shenekela. Alejina tete asamo. Potavesimo sova. There we go. I turned on my pink and green lights. See, I've got a little bird cage right there, but as you'll see, the bird is on the outside. The outside of the cage. I'm not sure what this is going to look like on camera, so just sharing a little bit of me with all of you. And there's my little Sagittarian. It was a birthday gift from my youngest son many years ago, and I've always loved doing little videos with it, and it turns. Yes, that's where that little short video came from. A card from my sister from many years ago. Spring water. So thank you for joining me in this precious moment. I had no intention on making a video, but here I am with just creating. So may the angels of serenity, shall I say, they are already surrounding you. May you feel the presence. Hi, there we go, my cup. And the creator of the artwork on my cup. Thank you, beautiful soul, for joining me and reminding me that this moment is perfect just as it is. So regardless of how this holiday began, let us simply use it once again as simply a reason to give thanks for being together. Candiva somo savissimo di vashamoro kutu. Casa no tavisimo elekishano. Alezumo savissamana. Alezumo shupurin kialakatu. Payasomo savissanatea. Alezumo tavisha motiveka broku savisha. Some of my artwork I'm currently working on. Lizima shundu pelishano tavete. Alezumo tave subashawala kotu. There's my hangout spot. Lezumosho Jeveshono, Elezumon Tobaki, Zevesono Tobikiti, Veshovashate, Lezumosoveshono de Velashanoko, Oyana. Thank you for allowing me to share a little of me with all of you. Thank you. Lizevesono Tobishamopoya. Sevisonotoma. And remember that even when our moments don't feel perfect, we're reminded that absolutely every moment is absolutely perfect. And that joy is the vibration of creation. Oh, these are actually little magnets. And my little easels. And I wish all of you peace, joy, happiness, and confidence. I love you all so much. For you are my reflection. I am yours. And remember, you are full of magic. For that is really who you are. Tvisamosa, Sevisamotoveshamokolendavasheke, Lazinaton Tayajon, Tibikomaya Lahi, Laliala. I love you. I love you.